Hello, and welcome back to AI Mank, your weekly deep dive into the most exciting, challenging, and occasionally terrifying corners of artificial intelligence. If you're looking for a channel that cuts through the hype and delivers the real scoop on what's driving the next big wave in technology, you're in the right place. Every week, we track the biggest players from OpenAI and Google to Meta and Anthropic and translate the complex research papers and massive corporate moves into actionable insights for you. So hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss a single step as we journey toward AGI together. Let's dive into this week's headlines. OpenAI, corporate overhaul and culture clash. OpenAI has finalized a significant structural overhaul, formalizing its split into the nonprofit OpenAI Foundation and the for-profit OpenAI Group (PBC), with the foundation maintaining mission control. The move includes a revised partnership agreement with Microsoft, extending key terms and confirming that AGI oversight must be verified by an independent expert panel. This clarifies Microsoft's continued long-term role as the primary cloud gateway, while granting OpenAI new flexibility to partner with third parties. On the safety front, OpenAI announced a major update to GPT-5 aimed at improving the model's response to sensitive situations, claiming a reduction in policy non-compliant behaviors. This follows rising scrutiny as the company revealed millions of users each week engage in conversations showing suicidal intent or signs of psychosis. To train the update, OpenAI enlisted over 170 clinicians to review and write model responses. Finally, a report reveals that up to a fifth of OpenAI's workforce is now composed of former Meta employees, leading to an internal culture clash dubbed metafication. This influx is steering the company toward aggressive user growth and consumer-centric products like the Sora social app, causing friction with longtime staffers who prioritize the original research-first mission. OpenAI and Anthropic enter new markets. OpenAI is reportedly developing a new family of generative AI models for music creation, positioning itself to compete directly with platforms like Suno and Udio. The models are expected to generate original music from both text and audio prompts, including multi-vocal track generation and AI-assisted mixing. This is OpenAI's third major foray into generative audio. In the enterprise space, Anthropic launched a major new integration, bringing its Claude AI directly into Microsoft Excel as an add-in, directly challenging Microsoft's own Copilot. Designed for finance professionals, this allows Claude to read, analyze, modify, and generate financial models and reports using natural language commands, transforming it into a proactive, transparent, and specialized financial collaborator. Anthropic's introspective AI and philosophical caution. Anthropic researchers released a study providing evidence for a limited degree of introspective awareness in their most advanced models, Claude Opus 4 and 4.1. The models could, about 20% of the time, detect an external concept being injected into their internal activations, hinting at a primitive form of monitoring thought processes. This finding is set against a philosophical caution from Anthropic co-founder Jack Clark, who described the evolving AI systems as a real and mysterious creature, rather than a predictable machine. Clark emphasized that as models increase in complexity, they display emergent behaviors that are not fully understood or controlled by their creators. Google, Cursor, and Adobe innovations. Google launched Flow, an advanced AI filmmaking tool powered by its VO generative model that offers granular post-production control over generated video content. Flow allows users to seamlessly edit scenes and objects within a created clip, which is a major leap from earlier prompt and render systems. Google also enhanced its Notebook LM platform to function as an AI interview coach and study partner. Users can upload job descriptions and personal notes, which the AI then uses to generate customized question banks and provide structured, real-time coaching, including practicing answers via the STAR method. In the coding world, Cursor launched version 2.0 of its AI-first code editor, introducing Composer, its first proprietary coding model, which is claimed to be 4 times faster than similarly intelligent models. A core feature allows developers to orchestrate up to 8 independent AI agents simultaneously on a single project, a strategy that significantly improves the final code quality. Finally, Adobe announced a sweeping integration of AI across its Creative Cloud suite at Max 2025, emphasizing that AI is an assistant, not a replacement, for creators. Key updates include Firefly Image Model 5 and the integration of conversational AI assistants into Photoshop and Express. Industry precedents, hardware, and safety. In a crucial precedent for the music industry, Universal Music Group, UMG, announced a legal settlement and new licensing agreement with the generative AI music platform Udio. This creates a pathway for UMG artists and songwriters to generate new revenue streams. On the hardware front, Nvidia is reportedly forecasting annual chip sales potentially reaching a staggering 500 billion, driven by its partnership blitz with major AI labs. This relentless financial scale underscores the ongoing AI arms race. Directly challenging this scale, the startup Extropic unveiled a new chip that is claimed to run AI models with 10,000 times less energy than current GPUs, directly addressing the escalating AI energy wall. Lastly, following rising legal scrutiny, Character. AI announced it will ban users aged 18 and under from engaging in open-ended conversations with its virtual companions starting in late November. This policy shift reflects a growing industry trend to establish strict safety guardrails and prioritize child protection. That's it for this week's deep dive into the world of AI. Is there a specific company or topic from this week as headlines you'd like me to look up more information on?